In this video, I will show you how to redirect a website using the htaccess file in Hostinger website. So let's get started. So we need to head to the Hostinger hosting account. First, once we are logged into the Hostinger hosting account, this is how the Hostinger dashboard will look. We will need to enter the hosting account by clicking the Manage button under the Hosting section. Next, we need to click the Files tab on the left side of the screen. Then click the File Manager below, where all the website directories are stored. I have only one website in my hosting account. If you have more than one website in your hosting account, you will need to enter the specific website directory. Once we enter the website directory, we need to click the public HTML directory again. The htaccess file will be found in the public HTML directory. It is normally hidden by default. To unhide and view the file, click the Settings tab on the left of the screen. In the pop-up window, uncheck the Hide .files option and then update the changes made. Go to the public HTML directory again. Here, you can see all the hidden files. The htaccess file is a hidden file. You can see that the htaccess file. We will need to click Edit and open the htaccess file. Next, we need to add this code into the htaccess file. In the first two lines, replace your website, add the site you want to redirect, and in the third line, replace it with the destination website, that is, the website you want to redirect to. I am redirecting my vibeskill.io website to designapage.com website. And then save the changes. You can find the link to the code in the description section of this YouTube video. And then save the changes. Now let's confirm the website redirection. And we've successfully redirected the website from vibeskill.io to designapage.com using the htaccess file in Hostinger. With this, we have come to the end of this video. Like, comment, and share the video if it was helpful.